Okay, so now I am in Sydney. I'm walking through Hyde Park to get from the Central Business District, CBD, to the Sydney Opera House. It's about a 30-minute walk. This reminds me a little bit of the Poets Walk or Literary Walk in Central Park. It's really cute, and there's a lot of monstera here that are massive. There's the Sydney Opera House. Okay, so I'm now at the Opera House sitting at a restaurant overlooking the bridge. Hold on. There's the bridge. Okay, so already day one of my trip. I'm failing with my health goals. It's windy and cold. I got a coffee and a San Pellegrino, and now I'm gonna try this massive sampler plate. Oh God, it's raining now. I think I'm gonna move in. I'm gonna try this massive sampler plate with kangaroo and alligator. So wish me luck. Look at this rain. I was walking all day and it was just drizzling and really sunny. So hot that I had to take off my jacket a few minutes ago. But now look at this. Check this out. They gave us these nets to protect against seagulls because they come down and eat our food. I haven't eaten meat since 2017, but I got this sampler platter. I'm going to show you guys. It's got crocodile, kangaroo, and emu. And I'm going to try to compete against these seagulls. They're coming for my food. Also crocodile, which I've had before. It's not as salty as I had last time. This is the kangaroo. Wish me luck. It's chewy. Oh God. Check this out. I like hanging out, just watching me. And I'm gonna have this emu. Ah! It's getting closer. Oh God, it's like circling me. It's not bad. They both taste like beef. Which is fine. And then I have all these cheeses, which I'm probably gonna end up eating. I feel like Tippi Hedren and the birds. Oh my God, did you see? Did you see? Here's me with the Opera House. Here's me with the bridge. Boop. Boop. After that chaotic lunch, I decided that I would just take a tour of the Opera House because I'm here. Why not? So I took a tour. It was cool. We got to see a lot of things that couldn't really photograph or video some parts. We couldn't video any of it, but we couldn't photograph some parts. But it's a really cool tour. Final thoughts on today. I had a really nice day being a tourist. I consider these next 9 or 10 days or so, kind of my tourism period of sabbatical. It hasn't really sunk in that I'm not working for 3 months. I just feel like I'm on vacation. So we'll see if that changes in the next few days. And I'll have more thoughts about it as we go.